What's up, YouTubers? This is the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. Excuse me. And today we're doing some classic Tom Petty, American Girl. Cool. Alright, so let's go with the main chords first. And then we can talk about the intro and some other things. Song is in D. D major, 1, 2, 3. And then we have an E7. 1, 2. And then we have a G major. A major. Okay, so that's how the song starts. Or it actually just starts over D. D major, E7, G major, A major, E7, E7, G major, A, stay on A, to D, G major, E minor, and A. Chorus, which is G, G, A minor, A major, D major to B minor bar chord. 2, 4, 4, 3, and then G, 2, A, and then end on D. Okay, top. D, E7. Then from E7 to walk up to G, open to A major, D major, E7. There, this time we stay on A major. Walk up to G, walk down, and then we have E minor there. A, chorus coming up, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah, alright. B minor. So the intro and those parts with electric guitars up here. So that's 7, 7, 7, 7. Actually no, 7, 10, 10. Starting on the G string. But include the D string too when you play this part. Minor. Stay on A. Stay on A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah. Okay, and the main strumming. So down, up, down, 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 up, down. Down, up, down, 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 up, down. Down, up, down, down, down. Down, up, down. Okay, and then we have a bridge with the breaks. Let's see. So that's G, 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 and then 3, 4, A, D. 5, 6, 7, G string. Last time you stay on A and then D. Okay, so that's the main parts for the acoustic. D major, E7, G, A, D major, E7, G, A, stay on A, D, walk up, G, 2, E minor, and then stay on A. It's gonna take us to the chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4, G, oh yeah, A major, D major, B minor, she was an American girl. Cool. Thanks for tuning in, guys. See you tomorrow, as always, with more cool songs. See you.